My mom has prepared the super delicious veg fajitas. You would definitely love this fajita. It's mouth-watering toppings prepared in air fryer. Take a half-sliced green, yellow, and red bell peppers, capsicum. 1 medium-sliced onions. 150 grams sliced paneer. 1½ tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon pink salt. ½ teaspoon chili flakes. 1 tablespoon fajita seasoning. Mix well. In preheated air fryer, place the mixture. Spread it evenly. First set for 5 minutes at 190 degrees C. After 5 minutes, stop and mix well. Then set for 6 minutes at 180 degrees C. Once finished, add 1 chopped olive, 3 to 4 chopped jalapenos. Mix well. Filling is ready. Take 1 tortilla. Place the mixture. Spread sour cream. Fold it gently. Healthy and delicious veg fajitas ready to serve. Please try once. You will be tempted to prepare again and again. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, please feel free to subscribe.